In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a paid bill in Xero. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step along the way, and you'll be able to handle this task quickly and efficiently. First, let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page, and you'll want to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click on Log In. Now once you're at your dashboard, you'll have access to all the financial tools Xero offers. From the dashboard, look up at the top menu and click on Accounting. This will open up more options for you. Once there, find the option labelled Find and Recode and click on it. In the next screen that appears, you're going to click on plus add a condition. This allows you to set up specific criteria for what you're looking to adjust. Now you need to select contact from the drop down menu. Here you'll type the name of the contact associated with the bill you wish to amend. Once you've entered the contact name, look for the search button and give it a click. After the system processes your search, you'll see a list of results. Choose the correct contact from this list to proceed. Next you'll head back to the top and click on the Recode option. This will guide you to another part of the Xero system where more specific changes can be made to your transactions. You'll notice an option that reads Recode Source Transactions, which you'll need to select. Pay close attention to the section labelled Tax Rate. Here you can select the new tax option that is appropriate for the bill. Once you've made a change to the tax option, it's time to move forward by clicking on Review. Reviewing allows you to double check all the changes you intend to make before finalising them. Make sure that everything looks correct and nothing appears out of place. If all is set, go ahead and click on Confirm. This last step will action the changes and update the details associated with your paid bill in Xero. By following these steps, you'll have successfully amended a paid bill in Xero and can be sure your financial records are accurate and organised. And there you have it. You've navigated through the process of amending a paid bill in Xero. This method ensures that your accounting records remain precise and gives you control over changes in your financial data. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you feel more confident managing paid bills in Xero. Keep practicing and soon it will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more financial software tutorials soon.